Hello, this is Stuart Seipel, Director of Music at St. Mary's Star of the Sea and Holy Savior Church in Ocean City, Maryland. And this is a tutorial to learn the memorial acclamation, Save Us, Savior of the World, and it's from the Mass of Wisdom. This is the last of the optional memorial acclamations, we will be using this in Lent. So let me just play the melody for you. So if we look at the beginning, we begin with that big leap of a fifth downward. And then we leap back up a fourth, so we go to the note below that first note. But after we do that, we start filling in by step, and we've discussed that in many cases when there is a leap like that. Oftentimes a melody will then fill in stepwise that leap in the opposite direction. So that's exactly what happens here. We have the leap of a fifth, back up the fourth, and then fills in. And then we're going to step back up. And we'll do some more stepping until we get that same leap. It's the exact same interval as at the beginning. And then again, we're going to step and do some filling in. So if we add the text to that, we have, Save us, Savior of the world, for by your cross and resurrection you have set us free. Now, the couple places, as we discussed in rehearsal, a couple places you can catch a breath. He basically writes in the breath after world. You can also sneak in a breath after resurrection if you need to. So listen to that one more time. Save us, Savior of the world, for by your cross and resurrection you have set us free. Now the introduction gives you that the first measure of the introduction is the exact beginning of the sung part. So the introduction is that same measure there. So that's your two measures of introduction. So let's try it now with the organ accompaniment. Save us, Savior of the world, for by your cross and resurrection you have set us free. One more time. Save us, Savior of the world, for by your cross and resurrection you have set us free. And since it's such a short bit of harmony, the harmony comes in only at the last measure for the most part. I'll handle that with this recording as well. So for particularly tenors and basses, you have the exact same melody as the top voices. And then you have set us free. So that happens in the bass line. So you have set us free. The bass line will be, you have set us free. The tenor line has the same three notes, but then goes up so that it makes then an octave with the bass. So tenor line would be, you have set us free. So the tenor and bass together would make, the alto line that's kind of an odd interval there. This is that interval of a fourth. So you start with the melody. You have set us free. So you got that fourth going down. So if I sing the alto part while playing alto, tenor, and bass, we have, you have set us free. So basically the alto is in octaves with the tenor and bass for those first three notes, and then goes down to us free. So the four parts together will sound, so I hope that helps you to work through this part of the Mass of Wisdom.